Hi everyone, this is another task that you can do on Zoom, and this is something that I did a couple of days ago with my students. So this is a good thing that you can tie into the current lesson plan that you have, and it's to tell students to create a presentation and to present it to the rest of the class. Now to do that, all you got to do is look at the bottom of your screen and go over to share screen and click on the small little arrow there. Go to advanced sharing options and click on who can share, all participants. Now, imagine we're in a situation now where Bob is in my class and he wants to present his presentation on food to eat in Singapore. So Bob is going to go to his computer and go down all the way to the bottom of his screen and click share screen. And then he clicks on his presentation and ta-da, the entire class can see it now. Great. So then he can present it just as he would present a normal presentation. Right, so these are things to eat in Singapore, blah blah blah. Alright, now as the host, you can end the participants sharing just by going to the top of the screen and clicking stop participants sharing. Now this task is really useful if you tie it into the current lesson plan that you have. So on Wednesday we did a speaking based on education, and I told my students that they had to create a presentation based on something that they can teach the rest of the class. So my students ended up presenting this stuff like this. So the nurse in my class presented on the relation between teeth and teeth cleanliness and disease, and the other one, another one, my students presented on the failed water negotiations between Singapore and Malaysia. Yep. So be creative and enjoy.